So today I'm back at Omega Tint Electronics. We had a special familiar truck, Leona, drop off a HORNBLASTERS kit and a bunch of goodies to install. So let's get to it. Nice. So this is the Stealth Spare Tire Delete Kit, and I also want to apologize. Jeremy had most of the kit assembled before I got here today. Still has all the wiring, bracketry, hoses, fittings. We've got this digital air gauge to install. Now Bob pretty much went all out with damn near every option they have. We have the tire inflation kit. We have the electric drain valve. He even got this box of goodies sent to him from HORNBLASTERS. Now I'm gonna leave their link down in my description below. Go check them out. And I'll tell you what, guys, if this video can get, let's say, 20 likes, I'll order a kit for my wife's van. So guys, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button so you don't miss out. All right, we're at the point of installing the feet cushions of the spare tire delete kit. Now this step might take longer for some adjustment depending on the truck you're putting this on. All right, Jeremy's got all 4 legs mounted. All right, guys, we've got the rest of the air lines mounted. This is gonna be for the electric drain. This is gonna be for the airline accessories coming out by the bumper. And we've got the filter hose mounted and ready to go. All right, guys, real quick here. If you're installing the HORNBLASTERS kit and you're just using the basic kit, no add-on accessories, go ahead and follow the instructions per the instructions. But here on page 2, if you're doing the digital readout gauge or the electronic drain valve, here's the time where you do not want to put this piece in or the analog old school gauge. He's gonna figure out the wiring, get all that ready. So that's out of the way because we're getting ready to mount it underneath the truck.
Yeah, so I can get that whole thing through it. Yeah, that part. Now, is this able to, like, see what I'm saying? Come through that hole. We pull it still out of the way. I'll hold it. Alright, let's adjust the speed out a little bit to pinch. I'll just keep going slow with this. Can you actually crank it down a couple cranks?
Yep.
You want to see about turning this way? Alright, now crank it up. Alright, stop there. Just curious if it can go sideways. The feet touch a lot better when it goes sideways.
They did show that in one of the pictures.
It did?
Yeah.
I think even in HORNBLASTERS video when they were doing this game, they do sideways.
Okay. Yeah, the feet fit way better this way.
But now are your airline, the one that's supposed to come out for the extra valve, is that everything lined up then, or do we need to go the opposite direction?
Yeah, we need to see how this is going towards the exhaust.
Yeah.
That is probably flip.
Alright.
See, I'm going to drop it.
So it's pretty tight.
That's what she said.
Yeah, it's got to probably fucking feet now. All right, go ahead, drop it a little bit. Tiny bit more. All right.
Now guys, what he's doing here, ultimately we decided to take the extensions off the feet. So he's removing the extensions and 2 of the ones are gonna stay.
Nope. I gotta get the fucking wrench.
Now that that's done, it's time to drill a hole. All right, Jeremy's got the switch mounted for the electric drain valve. Let's move on. Now that taillight right there is hiding the air filter. Now Jeremy's gonna start doing his thing and wire in the rest of the electrical components, and we are that much closer to testing out this sucker. Electronic drain valve going in. Oops, forgot a piece. I'm just kidding. This valve goes in, but stays open so the electric drain can flow when the button is pushed. We've got this air line going up into the bed of the truck. Now this here is for the digital air gauge. This wire will get ran all the way up into the cab. Ooh, look, a sticker to be applied. Jeremy's got all the wires running into the cab, so let's get to the rest of the install and push this button. Now if you opted for the wireless remote with the kit, now's the time to install this little guy. And if you decided to get the digital readout gauge, now's the time for that as well.
You drop some fucking pressure, boy. It should fill up to it.
Alrighty.
Damn!
I think it just moved something, dude.
Again? Damn. Still no remote though. Yeah.
Is there battery in it?
Yeah, you know.
You idiot.
All right, Jeremy's got the air chuck mounted, ready to go. We've got the digital air gauge mounted in the dash. We've got the switch mounted in the dash. Sounds like we're being challenged by the local train down the tracks right now. Guys, if you like this video, check out these other 2 videos I did with this truck.